Hey everyone, Giller at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, my wife, when she was up here this last time, brought several packages up here for me, and I haven't had a chance to open them up. Well, I know what they are, I just haven't had a chance to unbox them and look the stuff in there. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to cover some of the stuff she brought up here. So, all right, so this is what she brought. It's an 18-piece Pyrex set here. Check it out. Now, what's interesting is that 2 times earlier she brought up a couple of the Rubbermaid plastic containers. And I guess the boys there in California have been frying those up in the microwave. So she decided she hates getting the plastic stuff from the stuff in the microwave, so she decided to go with glass. And so, all right, so here's one. And does it say what size it is on it, or made in the USA, has a number on it. Has some emblems on it here, not sure. It's oven safe, not stovetop safe. Oh, no broiler and no stovetop, but you can put it in the oven. So we got a small one like this. Let's back a little bit, and so there's 2 that size, and then 2 snap-on lids for it. So it's got a rubber gasket around here, so it really, it's like it'll really just seal down on there, and the sides just snap on here, so you get a good tight seal on it. And it says airtight, leak-proof, freezer safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe for the lids. And then there's the next size up here. Again, says the same stuff on the inside. It's going to be kind of hard to make it out here. There's the emblem on it, but it has a lid for that one. Interesting. Instead of the silicate in there, they put in something called dry clay. I need to focus on it, but it doesn't seem to focus here. So, then got 2 small round ones with lids. And then 2 larger round ones. Yeah. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2 rectangular ones here. Now, if you haven't had Pyrex before, this stuff is stout, heavy, and it's really good. And then of course we got the lids for the square ones here, and the lids for the round ones. And then it has some information on it here that use and care, and then they have it in Spanish and another language as well. And yeah, they're covering just about every language there is. Chinese, Korean, Japanese. So basically the only thing that applies for me here is this right here, because it's the only thing in English. And talks about it. And do not use lids in conventional or convection ovens, under browning elements, or on stovetop. Plastic lids are microwave safe, but only when the lid is unlatched and slightly offset from the container. Kind of common sense there. And let's see here. Before first use, wash lids thoroughly. Snap lids can be washed in the dishwasher, top rack only, or by hand in hot soapy water. Use a soft tip, non-toxic, permanent, or wet eraser marker to write on the right here area. Okay, so on the lids here, it says right, where is the right here area? Oh, right here area. So I guess down here, you can write on it. Interesting. So this will be neat to handle and do stuff. So I guess all this is going to go in the dishwasher and get cleaned up. But for some of the things where we're doing certain things, I'm not sure what I would use this one for, but these here, definitely for when I make up a bunch of soup or chili, I can store it in this. I can freeze it, take it back out, and let it thaw out, and then microwave it. And I can use, be a single size serving for me. So anyways, I got to get used to this new camera because basically I got to back way off from it to get myself in the screen right. I'm going to see if I can adjust the setting on that. So yeah, this is the new camera. All right, so I'm going to, before I sign off here, I'm going to put a link up here to a video you should be interested in. I'm going to drop a playlist down here, and I'm going to put another video over here, and then the link to my other channel, Gray Man Prepping, up here. All right, see you around. Take care.